Coordinates conversion. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to convert coordinates. Click the Coordinate Conversion option from the Calculations menu on the left menu. In the panel that opens, the point is selected with one of the location preferences: the current location on the point page, the location from the map, by searching or typing. Then the coordinate system to be converted is selected and the result is shown on the screen when the Convert button is clicked. When we click the Save button, the conversion result is saved after entering the save name on the screen that appears. The saved results are displayed on the list page. Saves can be deleted by clicking the Delete button on the right of the results. When we click on the coordinates, the point is shown on the map. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.